Good morning, children. I hope,
Good morning, sir.
but I hope you all are safe and taking protective steps to protect yourself. Still, the situation is not. Beta, who is this Alpha? So please join with your name. I will not entertain any other name like Alpha, Beta, Gamma, or whatever. Got it. So I hope you all are safe and don't forget to take these protective measures to protect yourself. Still, the situation is under control, but it is not like that. Everything is okay. You have to be very alert. So, children, before that, I would like to discuss your performance in this pre-board, and which is very important to discuss here. So, just wait and if all of you please switch on your video. I said switch on your video. Yes. Vanshika Agarwal is here. Vanshika,
Yes, sir.
better last time you scored how much?
But I don't remember.
97 last time.
Okay, sir.
And this time you have scored 95. Yes, please switch on your video. All of you, I said. Even if you are not in uniform. I do want to see your faces, please. Okay, G Anand is here. G Anand. No. Sanvi Arora. Gabrang Avasti.
Present, sir.
Beta, you cannot switch on your video. Shubrang.
Sir, opening, sir.
मतलब एक बार में समझ में नहीं आता है आप लोग को. श्रेष्ठ श्रेष्ठ वाजपेयी is here. श्रेष्ठ वाजपेयी. Saksham Singh, you have scored 83. Okay. Ashmit Prakash is here. Ashmit. Beta, you have scored
Yes,
Ashmit
sir.
83. Bushra is there. Bushra
Yes, sir.
has scored 86. And Tanisha Kaushal, she has scored 76. Okay, then Samiksha Shukla. Samiksha is here, I think. Samiksha was very much there. Samiksha, just now she was here. Okay. Shantanu Singh, Shivam Tiwari, Shivam, Archisha Verma, Vinit Vinayak. Switch on your video. You cannot switch. You have scored 64. Harshita Yadav. Harshita Yadav. Are you there, Harshita? But you have not done well, Harshita, this time. Last time you scored 80, and this time what happened? Harshita. Shreyansh Yadav. Shreyansh,
Yes, sir.
switch on your video. This time, Shreyansh Yadav is the person who has scored 100 out of 100. And Kavya Chaudhary, she has scored 95 out of 100. 95 out of 100. So, but this time your performance has come down. Shrestha Bajpayee is here. Shrestha, no. Sarthak Garg. Sarthak Garg is here.
Yes, sir.
95 out of 95 you have scored. Ritika 83 you have scored. Shubhra Gupta 69. Riddhi Jain 69. Arnav Jaitley 66. Simran Kaur 72. And then Arnav Mohan 77 and Faiza Naeem 77. So children, definitely your performance has come down. It is not like that. And so if you see the question paper, the paper was not difficult, but you people are not able to write the programming parts properly. Okay. Pratham Gupta, your marks I have not told. Na? Pratham have scored 50. And Khushi Mishra, she has scored 77. Yes, 77. Shania is here? No. Shania is not here. Anusha Singh. Anusha Singh has scored 91. Achint Singh, beta, you have not done well. You need to do a lot of practice. काफी मेहनत करनी है आपको. Achint Singh, your marks are. I will talk to you separately, right? Okay, then it is Snehal Chandra. Snehal is here. Snehal
Yes, sir.
63, 63, and Zia, you have scored 47. So this is all about your performance. The thing is, children, it is not like that everything has been taught, but still practice is needed. If you see this question paper, I'm just sharing this question paper. I'm presenting my screen. You just go through this. The main problem is with that programming part. Children, in this process function, you need to extract the digit, and I'm just going to do this question number 4 because you don't know how to start. Question number 4, class 10th. So better I should write special number. So children, here this was the question. And if you see the data members are int, num and long sum. So just define these data members. Int, num and long sum. These are the data members which are needed. And after that, this is the constructor to initialize the data members with this special number, and here num is equals to 0 and sum is equals to 0. And after that you have got this variable void accept this function. So here void accept, and here what to do is simply you have to just enter number, that is num. So you have entered this number num, Now children, there is a specific reason for every function. The specific reason for long fact is just to calculate the factorial. So if you are doing something else within this function, I have deducted the marks. So this is, in long fact, you need to write just I will be 1 up to n I plus plus, and here f is equals to f into that f I, and here after this you need to return f. So the purpose of this long fact is this much only. You cannot do everything within this function. Few children have extracted all the digits within this function only and added also, and in process they are checking. Sorry, no. In process you have to extract the digit here, make the copy of that. The copy of the number has been made and the variable sum has been initialized by 0 again. And then what to do? You need to extract the digits and calculate the factorial. So here, while copy is more than this, then extract the digits like this. So here what to do is copy mod 10, and here what to do is int a is this, and here sum is equals to sum plus fact of a. Children, this is how we need to call the function. So if you have not written process in this manner, then marks I have deducted. And here it is copy is equals to copy by 10, and here after that you need to check that. So what to do if copy is sum? If this is the case, sorry, the original number. So here if the original number matches with this, so here what to do is the number is special, and else the number is not special. So children, what you need to write is this much. And after that what to do? After that you need to just write the main method here. And in the main method you need to just write, you just need to just uh, create the object of the class, that is special number, obj new special number, and here obj dot uh, process. This is what you need to do, is this much. In case if display is there, no, it is only process and that. So children, this is what you need to write. In process you need to extract the digits like this, you need to make the duplicate copy, you need to initialize sum, you need to extract the digits like this, and you have to match. Children, this is the way of doing this question. In accept I have, okay, I have not called this function accept, that's why this so accept, just run this, you can see that here it is 145. So this is how the number is special. So children, this is what, if you have done this much, definitely you will get 13 marks out of 15, and then 2 marks for VDT or comments. But unfortunately you people have extracted the digits where? In the extracted the digits in that I think factorial function. So that is not okay, that is not good. Now, any problem in this? If you have any problem, then ask. Please ask, beta. Class 10th. Class 10th. Beta, nobody is responding. What does it mean? It means either you all have understood or you don't want to study.
Sir, understood.
Samiksha Shukla, will you please reply? Sarthak Gar, Khushi Mishra, I'm talking to you people also. Kavya Chaudhary, Ji Anand. Are you there?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Children, here live classes means proper interaction. So if it is not there, you are free to leave the group. And if any problem in this question, then please tell. Okay, now I want to just go through the next one. In the next one question, here it is the sorted one. This is what? I wonder what you people have written, what the solution you people have reflected in this question. But only one child, Shivam Tiwari, has written the proper logic in this question. But if you have written your way, I have considered to some extent. But इसका solution है ये this one. In the main method, what you need to do? In the main method, you need to input the number and you need to have this variable r. You just define this scanner class. And here what to do is just so enter number and that is num, and here you need to just create the object of the class, and here what to do, this will return this, and here sorted, passing this number, and here it is suppose I am making is sorted. So there are two ways, both the ways I will tell you. If r matches with the original number, so it is sorted, and here unsorted. This will be the main method, and it was being expected from you that you should write this much, and here this is the function is sorted, and here you are just passing this value, and here you need to have this variable, you need to have this copy and extraction of digit. These are the variables, and here after that you just start a loop that will go from 0 till it is up to 9 and I plus plus, and inside that you need to just make the duplicate copy of that, and after that extraction of digits, that is copy, okay, and after that you need to just write while copy is more than 0, extract the digit like this, and if a matches with I, then this sum is equals to sum into 10 plus I, and after that copy is equals to copy by 10. So children, it was needed from you, but you only one child, Shivam Tiwari, has written this code. Rest of you have not written. So suppose the number is 452, it is unsorted, and if you have written that is 1 2 3, it is sorted. So what is the problem in this question? What was the problem? I cannot understand. This was the solution. Beta ye, it is shameful for you and shameful for me that you people did not recognize this code during that time, and I was expecting that you all will be able to write this code. You have the way you have written the code, that is not the professional way. If anybody who was not knowing this method, please tell. Anybody for whom this code is new, please tell. Sanvi Arora, Saksham Singh, Khushi Mishra, Anusha Singh, Aditya Shivastav, Archisha Verma, Aditya Ashmit Prakash. Tell me, अगर ये कोड आपके लिए नया है, if you are getting this code very first time, tell me. And if not, then it means you people are not practicing at home. And why it is so? It is not accepted. And I am very upset, children. Really, I'm telling you that you people are not able to write. Simply, you need to just arrange the digits of the number in ascending order, and you need to compare that result with this. And if it is the case, it is sorted. Simple, very simple. What you are doing, I don't know. And one more thing, if the return type is Boolean here, then what you need to do? You need to return the Boolean value from here. So you need to just compare here only. And in that case, this variable will be missing. So that is what? Here you have to write Boolean R. And then you need to write this much. Then also it's okay. So there are two ways. The very first way is when the values are in ascend, the function is returning an integer value. The other way is that the function is going to receive floating double type value, Boolean value. Sorry, Boolean value. Yes. Any problem with this code, children? Now, please tell. Saksham Singh.
No, sir.
No, sir.
But in class 9th also, I have explained this method so many times. And in class 10th also, even the while array, I have shown you how to return two values using this. Samiksha Shukla, are you there?
Yes, sir.
But any problem with this? And now in this question, okay, this question is okay. Then the paper is different actually. Now the frequency of each and every element without repetition. The frequency of each and every element. Question number 8. This question also we have done so many times. Frequency of each. So what?
Sir,
Yes.
this was not there in our pre-boards.
Okay, so would you please tell me what was the question, child? I think it is a different question paper which we modified later on. Tell me, Shubhrang, or should I
Yes,
search?
sir, tell him.
Should I search it here? I think yes, this is, I think, wait. No, it is the same paper. It is the same paper, and here this is the paper. And no, it is a solution.
Write a program
Yes.
to input names of n cities in an array
And
and
print
print
all
the
the,
names
okay, vowels, right?
which
Yes.
begin and end with vowel.
Okay, so
Yes,
children,
sir.
here in this question, I'm not going to change the frequency of each. So Boolean check is the name of the function. And here you need to input the word. The best thing is that you just have this variable a and storing all the vowels. And here two alphabets you have. The first alphabet, which is word dot caret of 0, and the last alphabet, which is word dot caret of word dot length -1. And simply you have to return whether both are vowels or not. So how to return? In that case, you need to return v dot index of first is not equals to -1, and v dot index of last is not equals to -1. So this is what v dot index of last is not equals to -1. So this is what we have to do. This is the simplest function. And after that, in the main method, what to do? In the main method, you need to just define a variable and you have to just have the size variable, and now enter size, and that is size is new scanner. I told you that while you want to input the values of string and integer together, you need to make temporary instance of the scanner class, but nobody followed this. You simply using that. So what is the purpose of telling all these things if you don't want to follow? If you don't want to follow why I am telling you all these things? So all these methods I'm just teaching you for the sake of yourself only, children. So you have to be, you have you have to follow these things. Next line. This is how I have filled the values. And now if you don't want to make the object, it's fine, just make it static. And now I'm just going to print. So just start a loop that will go up to size I plus plus, and here boolean f is check, and I'm passing name of I, and here if f I will simply be printing that name of I, that's done. This much is the code. And if you just run this part, suppose the name of the cities are 3, and here the first city is Agra, second is Kanpur, and third is, tell me any other name who starts and ends with vowel,
Sir, Indore.
and anything else? Indore spelling is okay?
No, sir.
Yes, what is that?
Sir, D-O-R-E.
D-O? This one.
R-E.
Okay, so this is, see this. So Agra and Indore, it is coming like that. Any problem, children? Class 10th. You need to simply make a function. When functions I have taught you, you are not in a position to use and create and use functions. Children, this definitely it lowers the confidence of the teacher. That you people are not able to write the functions properly. You are not able to make the functions. Simply you want to write the procedural programming method. And this is how you are going to represent the nation in future. And this is how we are going to defeat China. Sorry. You all have to work hard. And if you have taken any initiative, the initiative of learning anything, it simply means dedicate yourself and deliver your 100%. And this will happen only when you practice at home. I want to see all of you scoring 100 in the board examination. So this is the way you will people score 100. ऐसे आएंगे 100. When you are not able to write the functions, when you are not able to reflect the things properly. जरा सा भी ट्विस्टेड क्वेश्चन अगर है तो आप लोग उसी में हिल जाते हैं. No, sorry children, don't do this. Any other question? Shubhrang Avasti, please tell. One more question. Shubhrang Avasti,
Yes,
beta,
sir.
any other question?
Sir, patterns,
Just leave that question. Anything else?
series,
That question we will discuss with There is one more question, children. I think there was say 6 questions and I have discussed 3. And pattern and series, if you remove, one more is left. What is that?
Okay, sir, tell him.
Sir, there was a program of bubble sort.
Bubble sort. So bubble
Yes,
sort.
sir, with respect to temperature, arrange density.
Okay, so that you are not able to do. I think you all are able to do that. Yes. I'm just writing only the function of that. So here void sort, and here you need to have the name of the cities, and here you need to have this temperature variable, and if you need to, for swapping, you need to have 2 variables like double T and string T1. Just start this loop with 0 to less than temp dot length I plus plus, and here for int j will be 0, j is less than temp dot length minus I minus 1 j plus plus. And what to do now? Compare it. And how to compare? If temp of j is less than temp of j plus 1, I'm just arranging in descending order, so just swap these. So T will be temp of j, and temp of j will be temp of j plus 1, and temp of j plus 1 will be T. And now T1 is name of j. Name of j will be name of j plus 1, and name of j plus 1 will be T1. This is much. It's very simple. So many times we have done this bubble sorting method. Achint Singh, in case beta any help you want, any problem, anything you want to share with me, you are free to call me any time. But you have to study beta. Don't waste your time. And the same is for everybody, whosoever needs my help. So I think that I don't need to write the main method of this, because in the main method you need to simply input and call this function. Okay. So anything else children you want to say? Rest of the paper I will discuss in the next class. Okay. Class 10th.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now here I'm just sharing the Google form link so that you people can mark your attendance. So the form I have posted in the chat box, so please fill that. So if you have any query, you can wait. Otherwise, after filling the attendance, you can leave. Thank you.